Hello everyone, this is Balaji Palani, mathematician and Vedic Math Guru. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது class 11 important and most repeated question series. இதுல first question, we will check a question from trigonometry. Sin 765. We're going to find the value for this sin 765 degrees. In the question, we have two different approach. One is quadrant based, the other one is formula based. Quadrant based அப்படின்னா first we have to locate where this 765 lands. எந்த இடத்துல இந்த angle வருது அப்படின்றத பார்க்கணும் இந்த quadrant. So we know that the first cycle is 360 degrees, one complete revolution, and if you make one more, it is 720 plus 45. So it is in the first quadrant. This is sin 765. We can make a mark for that. So எப்படி எழுதலாம், sin of 2 times 360, which is 720 plus 45. So this is one way in which 765 can be expressed. So once when it reaches 360 degrees, again we start from 0 and measure whatever the angle is. So ஒரு தடவை 360 cross பண்ணாலும் we consider it as 0. If it is present for the second time also, we make it as 0. So it is just sin 45, as you can see from the diagram also. So the angle land it is in the first quadrant at 45 degrees. So 765 is nothing but sin 45, which is 1 by root 2. It is quadrant based. If you're approaching this using formula, we can split this as 720 plus 45. Every split from the table known values, we can try and split the given angle in terms of 30, 45, 60. Okay. And ரொம்ப பெரிய angle இருந்தா, we can break it in terms of 360 degrees and we can rewrite as we have done in this case. So if sin 720 plus 45, we know that sin of a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. In the formula used from name, we can solve or find the value of sin 765. So in A is 720 and B is 45 degrees. Now let's substitute in the formula. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. A is 720, B is 45. So the sin 720 degrees is nothing but sin 0, as we just discussed. After every complete revolution, 360 வரும்போது, it is again starting from 0 degrees. So sin 720 becomes 0. It is just 0 into cos 45, which is 1 by root 2, plus cos 720 is equal to cos 0, which is 1, into cos sin 45, which is 1 by root 2. So the answer is 1 by root 2. This is how we can try and solve any angle related question in two ways, either quadrant based or using the formula. Whichever is easier for you, you can choose that. See you soon in another video. Practice really very well and take care.